Service dispatching call center. Call dispatching has become a strong foundation for trust and loyalty between the call center employees and the callers. It's a responsibility of the center to facilitate better customer support through their services to meet the expectations of the customers. So what does the call dispatching means? Connecting a customer's urgent call with an appropriate staff member to solve the problem at hand is a call dispatching. This process helps customers to find proper guidance or the solution to their queries. It means if a customer needs assistance from a field expert, then the call center or BPO will add an expert from their branch on the call. These conversations can include any emergency call for repair, medical emergency, sales, product return policies, and various other processes. This process helps a call center to gain customer trust, make call time shorter, call bill amounts affordable, and makes the staff happy to help customers efficiently. Furthermore, it also keeps the customers happy as they receive special attention from a specialist and a solution for all their problems. Before we go to the next points, can you give a thumbs up and press subscribe button if you're getting some value from this video? So how does call dispatching makes call center experience better? The first point, it improves customer service by 24/7. Call dispatching helps the call centers to improve customer services by solving customer problems, transferring urgent calls to the officers, and managing the call dispatching schedule fast. Furthermore, the availability of the services around the clock ensures that the teams addresses all the queries of their customers 24/7. The second point is updated call dispatching schedule. It is an important task for call centers and BPOs to arrange a call dispatching schedule in advance as per customer needs. For instance, customers can call anytime, any day, and therefore the call centers need to be prepared with a schedule to ensure that their experts are always available to connect with the caller. Third point is it saves time and caters to emergency calls of customers. During the call dispatching process, centers ensure that they do not leave the customers on hold for longer duration. Quick response, knowledgeable guidance, and time assistance keep the callers satisfied. To avoid complaints and inconvenience, call centers can add automation, provide an emergency number, and ask a direct question to the customers. Most of the call centers and BPOs have added message dispatching services to their setup as well. This helps in providing convenience to customers who prefer texting. Furthermore, as we have discussed, these services can be available 24/7 and there is no time restriction on the call duration. Call dispatching is one of the most crucial processes for the call centers and BPOs to be successful. Now, if you're looking for more information how to set up a call center business or how to get clients for your company, visit my website www.offshoringconsultant.com or WhatsApp me on +91 9511 841 495. You can also attend my executive program on my website. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.